Hello everybody and welcome to my video. My name is YousefQwasmeh. In this video I want to talk about 3D printing. 3D printing is a form of additive manufacturing technology where three-dimensional object is created by laying down successive layers of material. It is known also as manufacturing technology. 3D printing is achieved using an additive processes where successive layers of material are laid down in different shapes. The technology for printing physical 3D objects from digital data was first developed by Charles Hill in 1984. He named the techniques as a stereolithography and obtained a patent for the techniques in 1986. Additive manufacturing refers to technology that create objects through sequential learning. Rapid prototyping is a group of techniques used to quickly fabricate a scale model of a physical part or assembly using three-dimensional computer-aided design data. Subtractive processes, removal of material by methods such as cutting or drilling. Stereolithography was defined by Charles Hill as a system for generating three-dimensional objects by creating a cross-sequential pattern of the object to be formed. 3D printable models may be created with a computer-aided design package or via 3D scanner. The manual modeling processes of preparing geometric data for 3D computer graphics is similar to plastic art such as sculpting. 3D scanning is a process of analyzing and collecting data of real objects, its shape and appearance, and builds digital three-dimensional models. This picture shows convert a stereogram to a class-level data. Printing. To perform a print, the machine reads the design form from 3D printable file, STL file. STL file is stereolithography. It is lays down successive layers of liquid, powder, paper or sheet material to build the model from a series of cross sections. These layers, which correspond to the virtual cross sections from the CAD model, are joined or automatically fused to create the final shape. Printer resolution describe layer thickness and XY resolution in dots per inch or micrometers. XY resolution is comparable to that of laser printers. The particles 3D dots are around 15 to 100 micrometers. Applications. Industrial uses, rapid prototyping and rapid manufacturing, mass customization and mass production. Domestic and hobbyist uses, clothing, 3D bioprinting, 3D printing for implant and medical device, and 3D printing services. Some of examples for 3D printing. In this video, some of amazing items made with 3D printers.
Amazing items made with 3D printers. Guns. 3D printing has opened up some truly amazing things, but nobody had expected that one day we'd be able to print guns in our bedroom. It's a very controversial subject, and it's making it difficult for the government to enforce any restrictions on the production of homemade weapons. miniature self. First launched in Tokyo a few years ago, the 3D photo booth has a 48 camera setup to capture you from all angles. These mini-me's are quickly spreading around the world, and now you can even get a figurine made of yourself at Walmart. Prosthetics. On the upside, researchers are printing better and better prosthetics for those in need. Some children have reported that they feel like superheroes after getting their new mechanical hand assembled. As we progress into the future, the abilities of these prosthetics will reach a level that will make regular body parts inferior. Before we know it, the cyborg age will be upon us. An eagle's beak. Back in 2005, a bald eagle was shot in the face by a poacher. The damage was so bad that she could no longer eat or survive on her own. Scientists, engineers, and even a dentist have successfully designed her a new beak. She can now eat on her own, but special care is still needed for her survival. Body parts. In labs around the world, bioengineers have begun to print prototype body parts like ears, noses, artificial bone and skin, even an entire face. The first 3D skull transplant happened in the Netherlands. It was a process that took over 23 hours of surgery. The patient is back on track and shows almost no signs of having had any surgery at all. Medicine. 3D printed medicine is revolutionizing the field of prescription drugs. Now, doctors can deliver custom-made doses for patients with exact accuracy. Researchers believe that within the next decade, patients will be printing their own medication from home. Cars. The Urbi 2 is the first vehicle that has been manufactured from 3D printed parts. Since then, there has been some notably remarkable 3D printed cars with freshly innovative styles and futuristic designs. Food. How would you like to eat a 3D printed hamburger or pizza? Many people are now printing all kinds of foods using 3D printers, most notably a German retirement home. They print vegetables, pasta and meat that melt in the mouth for patients who have trouble swallowing. Houses. These 3D printers aren't just limited to small fabrications. A Chinese company has constructed 10 single-story houses in less than 24 hours. Each house costs only $5,000. Also worthy of mention is a Minnesota architect who built a 3D printed castle made entirely of concrete. 3D printers. These 3D printers can essentially have babies. Incredibly enough, a 3D printer can print another 3D printer, allowing this technology to spread at a fast rate. What does the future hold for 3D printing? Only time will tell.
Future applications for 3D printing might include creating open source scientific equipment to create open source labs, replicating ancient and priceless artifacts in archaeology, reconstructing bones and body parts in forensic pathology. The technology currently being researched for building construction. Effect of space exploration, making spare parts on the fly, cheaper and more efficient space exploration. Social change. Conventional relationship between the home and the workplace might get further eroded. It becomes easier to transmit design for new objects around the world. Intellectual property rights of 3D printer users. Nearly anything can be printed by 3D printers, and this is troubling prospect if criminals use 3D printers to create illegal products. Firearms could be downloaded and reproduced by anybody with a 3D printer. In this video, one of most important challenges.
Guys, what is up? Zoo back again with another video, and today I thought it'd be really cool to print this Halo V2 pistol. So now, I was just browsing through Thingiverse, came across this Halo pistol, and I was like, that looks really, really, really badass. So, I was reading like the instructions and the thing info and stuff like that, and the slide can move the laser can detach and the clip can like come out and stuff. So, and the trigger can move. So it's pretty cool. And then apparently you put like a rubber band on here. There's a couple pins and you can pull this back and it will slide back together. So that's pretty awesome. So here's all the files. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 prints to do. So let's hop over on the printer and get this done. Alright guys, so here is the final product. Pretty
Conclusion: 3D printing technology could revolution and reshape the world. Advances in 3D printing technology can significantly change and improve the way we manufacture products and produce goods worldwide. If the last industrial revolution brought us mass production and the advent of economies of scale, the digital 3D printing revolution could bring mass manufacturing back to a full circle, to an era of mass personalization and a return of individual craftsmanship. Thank you for watching.